kang pa nasong ko inuna rumchak suna namneka. Even though nasong ni workplace rango nasong ko threaten ka arang dunga, nasong ko anggap parang dunga, nasong riyang ode nasong ko action again anggap parang ba dunga, hindi ba? Nasong inuna ri bahani kemenangan nasong ko kang pa matel na namneka. Mana nasong dongjak wang ode nasong ni rally anjing ni rally cumong pa ba successful ong jawacem. Nemang nasong na mungsa good news awanas ka anjing ni Shillong ni repeng rangde bisong de sak chabunga bat plemeng uci cumong ingjok. Ne, una anjing ba ya dakarang ko strength ko nukemeng anjing ba ino ibajok anjing ni right nan anjing ibajok. 나송 하나 안당니 라이트 나 리바마 리바자 뭐 아직 구시영아 먹자 구시영아 셀레리나 구시영아 먹자 와사 네 Afternoon, as you can see today the staffs of NHM under the banner of service delivery has gathered today in Circuit House Tura, and the same thing has been done in Shillong, where they are planning to meet and start this rally starting from Marquee Ground all the way to the HS office, Shillong. So today, as you can see behind me, we have many friends and staffs under the banner of service delivery who has gathered today against the irrational rationalization of salaries that was done for the service delivery staff of NHM Meghalaya. To everyone present here, and especially our friends from the media who has come to take the coverage of this rally. So we want to thank you very much for at least upholding us in your busy schedule. So today's rally is about, we have come together under the banner of NHM Service Delivery Staff of NHM Meghalaya. This crowd that you see here is the crowd of all the districts of Garo Hills. This is the 5 districts of Garo Hills that have come together to stand for our right in demanding the irrational rationalization that was done for us by the Office of the Mission Director NHM. So we have come here, and also our colleagues, our friends and our cadres from Shillong, Janera Hills, East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and Janera Hills and the Riboy districts, they have also made the same rally and in Shillong and also in Tura today. So we have come here to request our NHM office, our Office of the Mission Director, to kindly listen to what we want to say to you. We have a list of demands that we have brought in front of you so that whatever problems that are having in NHM can be solved peacefully without any problems in the future. So I would like to say some of the demands that we have come here. So kindly listen to us, sir, please. Number 1, that no one should receive a basic salary cut from all the SD staff if rationalization is to be done. This has been previously discussed with you, sir, during our meeting with you. Our demands have been pending since 7 to 8 months, and the final notification, it was approved only on the 30th of June, recently, without any further explanation or clarification given to any of the staff members. It can be noted, sir, if one of the half of NHM, the rationalization process was done with proper screening with the proper governing body, why not the other half? Why is it being hidden from the public? Why is it being hidden from the governing body? We demand that the process that was done for the PM staff, that is the program management staff, the rationalization was done last year in the month of September 2021. We request you, sir, kindly make it public so that the governing body can go through that and at least see what has been done and what has been approved for us. It can also be noted, sir, that there is no proper grading system that was followed during the rationalization of the service delivery staff people. The press release that was issued from the Mission Director Office stated that 2 drafts will be released, that is first and second draft, dated 21st April 2022 and 31st May 2022 respectively. It was done after the feedback of the cadres were given. But it can be sadly noted that all the feedbacks that was given from various departments, various cadres of NHM, it was incorporated in the final draft, but with many manipulations in it. So we demand equal pay for equal qualification, which was assured by the Office of the Mission Director. But sadly, it was not seen in the final draft. According to the release by the MD, that 96% increase has been done. It was issued in the press. But the sad thing is, again, we have many sad things to tell you, sir. The inflation rate was calculated for the program management staff. But when the salary is being rationalized for the service delivery staff, the past and the present inflation rate has not been included in our salary procession. So, sir, we want to request to you, sir, kindly please look into the matter. Another sad thing is that this is our right. We have come for a peaceful rally which has been done by our staffs peacefully without taking any names, without blaming anyone. But a release has been given from the Office of the Mission Director saying that whoever has joined the rally, their job security will be disturbed. Their salaries will not be dispersed. So, sir, we would like to ask this question. Even though we are contractual workers under the banner of National Health Mission Meghalaya, are we not liable to ask for what is right? Our right. So, sir, kindly please do not threaten us with such motives, because it will only, sir, make us strong. So the question is, was the categorization of service delivery staff done in consultation from experts and the stakeholders? So if it's done under the consultation of stakeholders and experts, why was it not done for our staffs in the program management staff? Sir, you have asked for our attendance, saying that whoever has not joined the duty in the workplace, the attendance will be taken, the action will be taken against them. So, sir, we are willing to provide to you the attendance of our staffs who are willingly present here in the rally, both in Shillong and Tura. And, sir, you have informed us that whoever has come up for the rally, the contracts will not be renewed. Sir, is this what NHM stands for? If someone asks for its right, their contracts will be not renewed. Is it a threat coming from the Mission Director's Office? So what can you explain about that? So it can be explained that during our COVID times, you have previously termed us as COVID heroes. We, the medical staff, the service delivery staff, have helped. Even though there are no incentives for us, we have helped, we have worked, we have serviced our population during COVID times relentlessly. But sir, when the time has come for our salary rationalization, why are we being treated like zeros? So this is the question we want to bring. You have termed us, you have given us an example saying that service delivery staff salary rationalization was not being done because it was high time, it was COVID-19 time. But sir, how can you explain that it was done for the program management staff during the COVID peak, that is September 2021? And sir, we want to bring to your notice that many staffs from the service delivery are being threatened in their workplaces just for coming to this rally. So we want to ask you if you are human enough, if you are right to stop such activity that is going on between NHM staffs. It is only dividing the staffs, it is only dividing the family of the National Health Mission instead of uniting it. So sir, we want to request you to kindly listen to our demands. These are just the demands that we are bringing to you. This is the peaceful rally that we have brought in front of you so that at least you can please redo our final draft. You can recheck our final draft so that what is right to us, it will be given to us. So we are ready to come to a bargaining table with you. Please listen to us. We request to you once again. Thank you.